Welcome back to another video of mine. I promised I would do a video on how I make my thumbnails. I think another person did it before me, but their instructions were too unclear. But it was a good video. It did teach me, but it was a little bit unclear. I think their channel name was Game Trap. So check out their channel. It has a car profile picture on it. So what you're going to do is you're gonna go to the white room. I've already did everything, so I'll just set up the character and how you do it and take a screenshot and have you guys take the screenshot for it, like actually on your Mac or Windows, because I don't have Windows. I have a Mac. Windows. So yeah, you're gonna go to the white room. You're gonna go to color, green, 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 and then you're gonna get any character, face of Five Nights at Freddy's, Freddy. Yeah, and the reason why I don't have my um health bar and stuff on, I'll show you in a minute how to turn that off so it doesn't interfere with how your thumbnail looks. It's very easy. It doesn't take like 1 minute to do, and it doesn't take forever. It's like quick and easy. You can use advanced bone tool for it. Like if you have it, or any type of bone tool that'll help you move the character ragdoll face or whatever. Like this. Like make him mad or whatever. Yeah, like that. Now you're gonna want to no use camera. You're gonna want to go to camera, have him pose like this or whatever. You can use any character. You don't have to use Freddy. Now you can go to like where is it? It should be lamps. Okay, lamps right there. And I do use GeForce for my videos, so yeah. You're gonna have the like light not on like not too close to the camera where it is in the camera view. We're gonna have it out and make it look more clear. Take the photo or which one you ever want to do, or which one you want to do like that. You're gonna take a screenshot. I'm not gonna take a screenshot because I don't want to take up too much storage. You're gonna take that screenshot. Okay, now you're gonna pause this, and now, for example, you're gonna do the same thing for your background. Okay, when you're in, you can use any map. You don't have to use this. You're gonna go to any cinematic shot you want to do. Like, for example, you can, if you want to use this map, you can, it's a modded map where it can actually shoot missile, silo. You don't need the lamp for it because it will be too far away. And you're going to do camera, and you're going to have it like that. If you want to have it right there. Alright, and I'm going to activate the silo. Okay. Now you're going to want to go to the command center. Press this to rise the thing up or whatever. I. Okay. You want to press 6 and I for the cinematic shot if you're too far away for it. Alright, when I press that, you're going to press I. And yeah, you should see that. You gotta wait for the perfect moment if you want to take this screenshot or not. You're gonna press the screenshot button. And yeah, you don't have to do it like this. This is just simply how I did it. Like I said, I did use a different character's thumbnail for this. Okay, so what you're gonna do is You're gonna put the background first. Then you're gonna want to put Freddy on the, whatever side you want. And then you're gonna go to select, color range, and you're gonna press like the green background behind Freddy. And when you do that, you're gonna go put fuzziness all the way to 200. And you're gonna press OK. And then you're gonna go to right click. You're gonna go to rasterize, because I already did it. You're gonna press delete or backspace. It won't delete nothing. And then next, if you made it this far, good job. Sorry if I'm saying it too fast. You can put it in a different speed. You're gonna go to the little rectangle, and you're going to go put it all the way through. Gotta wonder, why is there a black line? I mean a black blank screen. You're gonna press this X, and you're gonna do this part, and you can use any one. For example, I'll use blue because I like the color blue. Now you can go to color it. How much depth do you want for it? How dark? Now you can. I use 55 pixels. Yeah, like that, like that. That's how you do that part. When you have that part, you're gonna go press. You're gonna do the outline part. You're gonna go to blending options. Only the outline part. You're gonna go to blending options. You're gonna go to stroke, and you'll see there's a black line. That's optional, but it's better. Then you're gonna go to Freddy, same thing, and then boom, you have a black line. Now you're gonna go back again, and then you're gonna go to gradient overlay. Oh no, wrong one, wrong one. You're gonna go to outer glow, and then you're gonna go the color you picked. I think it was this one. You're gonna press size. How much size do you want? You can do any color you want. It doesn't have to specifically be this one. And boom, boom, you have that. Now how I do my gradient color, gotta go to blending up. You're gonna go back right here. You're gonna cover it again. Now you're gonna press black. It should be like that. Okay, now you're going to want to go to, you're gonna click that, and it should be like that. You can do any type of angle you want, any type of angle. For example, I'll use 40, 60, actually 61. We're gonna go to blending options, go to gradient overlay. I'll just do 70, 34, or whatever. Now you can do that. You can choose any color you want. Like, I'll use that color. And that color. Press OK for that. Now, okay, you don't have to do that part. I was just doing that real quick. Yeah, I am still kind of learning. It isn't that hard to do. Yeah, you're gonna keep that. Keep that. Go to opacity. You're gonna do that. Go to opacity, and you're gonna darken it how much you want. And then what you're going to do, you're going to go to a file, you're going to get this wind effect or any type of wind effect with a black screen. You're going to put it behind Freddy. So you're going to just move this behind Freddy. So he'll be first. And it was a little bit cutted. You're going to do the exact same thing like how I did before. You're going to go to select, color range, press this part. Now you're going to put the fuzziness to 200 for that part. Now you're going to go to rasterize. Now you're going to press backspace. Easy as that, easy as that. Now you're going to want to get any Garry's Mod logo you want. I will just use that extra Freddy. I do not know why that was there. You can delete the background because you won't need it at all because you already did this part. Now you can take the screenshot on your Mac or Windows. You can crop it. Like I'll show you how. For Mac, I do Command Shift 3. Then you can go to. Now you can press crop right there and take any part of the image you do not want in. And that is how I make my thumbnail, guys. You can do anything with this for this. So yeah. Subscribe, like, you know what to do.